Hi, in this video I will show you how to find diamonds balance on the TikTok. So if you are looking for your diamond balance on your TikTok, so simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on your profile from the right bottom. Once you will click on it, now you will see your profile is here. Simply you have to click on the three dot icon and here you will see multiple options. Simply click on the balance. Once your page is loaded, you will see a live gift option here. Right now it's not showing me here because this is not my real profile. So you will see a live gift option here. Once you will tap on that, you will see all of your diamonds on the TikTok. So in this way you can find diamond balance on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.